Bonjour everybody, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new. My name is Luisa. You are watching Loulou C'est la vie, and for today's video I am doing my last video in the my favorite curly hair product series, and we are going to talk about my favorite gels. Before I get into the meat of this video, if you are enjoying my channel, if you are coming back for more of my videos, please feel free to subscribe to my channel. If you are enjoying the content, feel free to leave me a little comment down below. This helps me know that you guys are enjoying this type of video, and therefore I will do more of them. If you think that this video can help a friend in need, or this series can help a friend in need, please feel free to share that video to them, or even better, share it on your social media. Thank you very much. Now let's get into this video. This should be a short video because I only have 3 products that I really want to talk about. Here's the thing, when it comes to gels, once you find the right gel for your hair type, there's no need to go and change left and right. Not like leave-in conditioners where you can change according to what your hair needs. With gel, the role of gel is to lock everything in, to lock the style in, to lock the moisture in, to keep your hair, your curl formation, your styling put for the whole day, even longer than that if possible. I am at the point where I found 3 gels that work for me very well. I kind of rotate in between them throughout the year, but I always go back to these gels. Now, I try a whole lot of different type of gels before I narrowed it down to the one that works for me. I tried Curl Crusted. It weights my hair down no matter which brand I use. It doesn't work for me. I tried the Jelly Gel, the one that looks like Jello. It doesn't work for me. I tried the Spray Gel. Doesn't work for me. The only gel that works for me is the see-through liquidish type of gel, kind of like this. Hold on, focus. That's the type of gel. That's the texture that works best for my fine, wavy to curly hair. It is very liquid, but it's still a gel, okay? It is see-through. It's perfect. That texture is perfect for my hair type. Now I'm gonna put this in my hair because I hate to waste product, okay? I don't care if, I just don't like to waste product. Voila. My hair did not need that, but the girl doesn't want to waste. Okay, where was I? So yeah. Now, that's the texture, and all the products that I'm gonna talk about, all the products, there's like 3 of them, are going to be this texture more or less. Now, if you guys been following me for more than 5 seconds, you know already what brands I'm going to talk about. Actually, let's play a little game. Let's pause the video, go in the comment section, and tell me which one are the 3 products that I'm going to talk about right now. Come on, I want to see the OGs. I want to see who's been following, who's been listening. All right, you guys, so the first product I'm going to talk about is a DIY, and it is Flaxseed Hair Gel. I have done many videos over the years on my channel on how to make flaxseed hair gel. I will link the latest video right here for you guys. No, right here for you guys. So it's a DIY. It's not for everybody, but if you're the type of person who enjoys making cosmetic, if you're the type of person who is in a natural hair care journey, if you like the satisfaction of creating your own product, I can totally relate to that. This is definitely something that you're going to enjoy doing. It is easy to do. You just have to boil water and pour the flaxseed. The annoying part is extracting the gel and keeping the flaxseed aside. But after a few years of doing it, there's a technique to it. Now, it's not the strongest hold, but in one of the videos, you'll find out what I do to give it a stronger hold. You'll also find out how I use the flaxseed hair gel to refresh my hair on a day 2, 3, or 4. It is very affordable. It has great properties for your hair, for your skin. I like to use it as a mask, a facial mask. Let me know in the comment section if you want me to do a little DIY video on DIY skincare video actually using flaxseed hair gel. I'll be happy to do that for you guys. Now in the cons, it takes time to do, and unfortunately I don't have yet a way to preserve it for more than maybe 5 days, maybe 6, maybe I can push it to a week. But at air temperature, at ambient temperature in my bathroom, it doesn't last long, unfortunately. So that's the con, but it is natural. Your hair, it feels so soft and shiny and beautiful when you use it. It is worth the hustle. The thing is that it's really hard to maintain this routine when you have to do it yourself. You have to keep up with the production, and the shelf life is really, really short. But yeah, that's just that. Okay, now moving on to the next. I'm going to talk about my all-time favorites, and let's see if some of you here know me well in the comment section. The Biotera Alcohol-Free Styling Gel from Zoto Professional. This is what the bottle looks like, and this is how much it retails for. I discovered this gel with Curly Susie when she was doing curly hair videos. I tried it and I never looked back, you guys. I don't go without my Bioterra. It's my day-to-day, everyday, all-day gel. It's affordable, it is lightweight, it pairs with all my leave-in conditioners. Never had a bad reaction between when doing product cocktails, if that makes any sense. Gives me enough hold. You can get a decent cast with this. It's a very neutral type of gel in the sense that it's not gonna weight my hair down. It's gonna pair very well with other products, and it's not gonna dry my hair out. And for me, it's a big deal because the majority of the gels that I put on my hair tend to dry the shit out of my high porosity, fine wavy to curly hair. And that's a big no-no, because the last thing I need is a product that's gonna make my dry hair even drier. It's a recipe for damage. I have nothing but good thing to say about this gel. It's when you have fine wavy to curly hair and high porosity hair, even low porosity hair, even medium porosity hair, this is the way to go. It will give you enough hold. It's not like the strongest hold in the market, okay? It's like they put it at a level 3 out of 5, okay? So it'll give you some decent hold for the day. It will tamp down the frizz. It won't weight your hair down, and it will pair very well with your other leave-in conditioners. Highly recommend. Definitely a go-to. Okay, the next gel and the last gel that I have to show you is again a staple in my channel. If you guys been following me, you know that I've been using this gel since I don't even remember how long, but for a while, before the Bioterra actually. It is the Wavy Advanced Climate Control. It's a higher end line of product. The price point is a little bit higher. Notice how this is the white bottle with the red curls. They also have a red bottle that says Advanced Climate Control Gel on it. That's not the one I'm talking about. That's too strong for my fine wavy to curly hair. The white bottle is the one. I love this product, but because it is more expensive, I think it's 25 bucks for 8 ounces. I only use it for special occasions. For example, if the weather is completely bananas outside with crazy wind and rain, this is what I'm gonna reach for. If I have an event or a heavy day and I do not want to worry about my hair, this is what I'm gonna grab. This is like the big guys, the big guns, when you need the job to be done properly throughout the day without worrying of if your hair is gonna go haywire after 2 p.m. Okay, this is it. The texture is pretty much the same as the Bioterra alcohol-free styling gel. It is a see-through gel, pretty similar to the Bioterra. My hair is gonna be like, okay, we're good. But yeah, The smell is great. I love the smell of Ouidad. It reminds me of perfume, but not cheap perfume, you know, like high-end perfume, and I love that. It pairs very well with all of my leave-in conditioners. Never had any chemical reaction when cocktailing the products. It's lightweight. My hair is not weighted down with it. It does not dry my hair out. It just locks in the moisture, holds the curl no matter what. It rinses off very nicely. It's not like, you know, you don't need a crazy amount of shampoo to take it out. I love this. The hold on the Ouidad is definitely stronger than the hold on the Bioterra. There you have it. Those are my 3 favorite gels in the universe. These are the 2 that I must have in my bathroom at all time, no matter what. This one is my everyday, and this one is when I need the big guns, okay? And that's it. I told you this video was gonna be short and easy. I don't know if I reach my goal of 10 to 12 minutes. We'll see in editing. But that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. Okay. I just need to remind you real quick that if you did enjoy the content of this video and all the other videos you saw, don't leave without giving me a big thumbs up. Please, please, please. It helps to rank my videos, but it also helps me to know if you guys are enjoying this type of content. Feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. What is your favorite type of gel? I'm very curious about it. Also, don't forget to share the video with your friends and family if you think it can help them in their journey. And then voila, I will see you guys next week with a new video. Until then, my love, stay happy, stay healthy, have a beautiful life. Au revoir et à bientôt.
Hey, c'est la vie.